Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to a super exciting video. I am currently at our new house and I'm gonna be giving you guys a little house tour. So I wanted this to be an empty house tour, but if you watched our moving vlog, I threw out my back the day before we ended up moving, which was just excellent timing. So I actually ended up not coming to our new house at all on the day of the move. So I have not, I wasn't able to get in before the movers and film an empty house tour. So all of our stuff is moved in. So there is furniture and boxes everywhere, but I still wanted to film a tour for you guys. Our house is not set up or anything. We have literally just moved in. So there is gonna be a little bit of stuff in there, but it's basically our undecorated empty house tour. Okay, so I'm out on our little porch area right now that I'm so obsessed with. And I just want to give you guys like a quick little backstory on the house. So it is actually a farmhouse. It was built in 1760, so it's super old, and the previous owner is actually like a builder that flips and restores old like farmhouses and properties and stuff like that. So he completely gutted the house, and it's like half the old original farmhouse and then it's half like a brand new addition. So that part of the house is completely new, but it is filled with charm. It has so many just like cool little like just old like features and just like that really like cozy feel to the house that I love, but it's also like totally new and updated. So when we saw this house, we were just, I mean, absolutely in love. So let's go check it out. Okay, so let's head in. So this is kind of more like a side door, but it will probably end up being our main door that we use, besides like the garage door. So welcome to our new house, you guys. So this room here is our family room. As you can see, we've got all kinds of furniture. It's a bit of a mess in here, but it is just a big open room. I love like the detailing on the ceiling, and there's crown molding all throughout, and there is a fireplace here. This is actually a gas fireplace. It's the only gas fireplace in the house. There are a total of 9 fireplaces in this house, you guys. Another reason why I fell in love with it. There's a fireplace almost in every room. The rest are wood burning. And then there are a couple different hallways, which I'll get to, but this room is has tons of natural light. There are 2 sets of French doors. Oh my God, I just can't wait to just spend so much time in this room. I love it. And then there is another set of French doors here, and this leads into our kitchen, which I am so in love with. So here is our kitchen, you guys. It is breathtaking. I am so obsessed. It is just such a nice kitchen, and the previous owner did such a good job. So there is cabinet space on cabinet space on cabinet space. Our old kitchen, I love, and I've loved our old kitchen, but it was very small and very tight, and there wasn't a lot of storage, so I'm just in heaven with all of these cabinets. I don't even know what to do with them. There is this gorgeous range and oven. I didn't know I'd ever like own an appliance that nice in my life, but here we are. I have no words. It's so nice. So yeah, all kinds of cabinetry, nice countertops. I've never had granite countertops, so I'm really excited about that. And then we have this pretty decent size island here. I mean, it's not enormous, but it's really big. We didn't even have an island in our old kitchen. And then in here we have, I am so excited, a giant pantry. We did not have a pantry in our old house. We literally just had kitchen cabinets. So again, I'm like, don't even know what to do with all of this space, all of this shelf space. I can't wait to go crazy and like home edit, organize this like crazy. Okay, so then over here we just have like a little powder room, which is super nice. And then these are just closets. This is like a coat closet. This is another kind of like a deeper closet for like good for like cleaning stuff, also coats. This is just the door to our garage, which isn't super exciting. And then one of my favorite parts of the whole house, so here's the kitchen, and then if you look this way, there is another set of gorgeous French doors. And are you guys ready for this porch? Okay, so when you come out here, it is this huge brick floor. And then this is actually like the old house. This is the outside of the old house. White painted brick with black shutters, and then it is just all windows all the way around. And it's obviously not like, there's no heat or air conditioning, it's just like an outdoor room. But these are all windows, and then they actually like retract down. So this can be turned into like a screened in porch, which is so cool. So totally in love. Okay, so when you come back, here's the kitchen, our family room, and then I'm gonna take you down this hallway. So this is just kind of like a random hallway. This window and that door goes out to the sunroom I just showed you. That goes towards the front of the house, and there's actually another fireplace. And then this room back here is going to be the office. So you can see my desk is back there, another fireplace, some shelving, and I actually have a white cover for this couch. And then this room has like pocket doors, so it's just gonna be perfect for the office space, which we never have had an office, which is really exciting. We just use a bedroom. And then almost all of the doorways have these like really cool, like just this paneling, just lots and lots of charm. So then this is the front of the house. This is the staircase that goes up. And this is just like a big open foyer, another fireplace, and that leads into the family room. But I just love these huge windows. Again, deep window sills everywhere. I'm obsessed. And then one of my favorite things about this house is actually the front door is the original front door from 1760 when the house was built. And as you can see, it's like literally the original, well, I don't know, I've had to figure out how to work this, but like the original lock and door. So cool. So this staircase goes upstairs. And then this room here is technically like a dining room. This is also in like the old section of the house. It's just got, this is actually the daybed from our old sunroom. Another fireplace and a bunch of windows. There's so much natural light in this house. It's just amazing. Just so in love with all of the natural light. But anyway, so we have no idea what we're gonna use for this because we don't really use, we don't really entertain in the dining room. So this is just gonna be kind of like a blank room for now, to be determined. Okay, now I'm gonna take you guys upstairs. So this is like the main staircase. There's also like a secret staircase. So another reason I fell in love with this house, these are the original hardwood floors, again, from when it was built in 1700s, which is insane. So we've got a bedroom over here, more stairs, which just leads to an attic. There's not really anything up there besides the attic. So this is a big bedroom, more big windows, obviously a bed here, another fireplace, and this is probably gonna be like a guest room. At least that's what we think we're gonna have it for. And then this is my favorite bathroom in the house. This tub, I literally just, I have no words. I'm so excited. And there's another fireplace. Okay, so again, just big windows. And I just love this bathroom. I love the marble. Hi, that's me. And yeah, pretty obsessed with that bathroom. And again, you can see like all of just like the charm. I just love it so much. Okay, so then coming out here, this is just like another kind of empty open space. I would love one day to make this like a little reading nook right here with like a really cozy chair. If you guys follow that brand, it's like 6 Penny on Instagram, then you know exactly what chair I have envisioned for this space, like just the coziest chair of all time. This is not gonna stay here. But again, just more windows, natural light, all of that. Okay, then in here, this room, also fireplace. This is gonna be Hayden's nursery. So it has these beautiful big windows with these really deep windowsills, which I'm just obsessed with. And obviously some of her stuff is already in here. She's got a big, decent sized closet here. So it's like so much bigger than the closet we had before. This is what her books were on before. I think we are not gonna be able to make that work in this room. And what do you know? Another fireplace. But yeah, so this is her nursery. And I can't wait to like get this all together for her, get some curtains up on those windows. It's so cute. It's gonna be like really cozy in here. Okay, so coming out of the nursery, we've got this little hallway over here. There's like a little step. So this is actually another bathroom. This is just like a classic bathroom, like a normal shower, linen closet, but just nice to have. And then over here is actually our laundry room. So washer and dryer, and then I'm so excited to have these big cabinets up over top to store like, you know, all the things you need in a laundry room. But yeah, I'm excited for that. And then in here, this is kind of like an interesting layout. So this is just like one giant room. For now, we're just gonna use it. This is a couch that has yet to be assembled. We're just gonna use it as like a playroom and like a hangout room, like for us and Hayden. Like all her toys and books and stuff like that. Eventually this will be like a kid's bedroom. And it's really big and spacious, which has pros and cons. And then there's actually a big walk-in closet in here. Like a pretty nice size closet. We had literally the tiniest closets ever in our old house, so that's like, I feel like a theme is I don't even know what to do with all the space. So more closets. There's actually 3 in a row in this hallway. And then over here is like our master bathroom. So we have a tub, which it's funny, when we were looking at this house, Matt, what did you say?
Yeah, a baby in it.
It's a home birth tub, so we'll see. But I just thought that was funny that Matt said that. This is like a really nice little spot to like get ready, which I'm super excited about. And just a normal bathroom, like a big glass shower, and then another big window. And then this is like storage, which is really nice to store whatever we need to store, linens and things like that. I am gonna paint these cabinets a lighter, probably white. That's like one of the only things I'm doing in this house really, because I just love the way that it is, and probably eventually like replace the mirrors with something cooler and maybe the light fixtures. And then in here, this is going to be our master bedroom. I love this room. I think it's so cool. It has sloped ceilings. It has a bunch of windows all the way around, and there's so much light in here. And then each of these have storage just like the bathroom. So yeah, our bed's gonna go here, and we're super excited about this because it's just so spacious, which is really nice. And then here is the little like secret staircase that actually goes back down to the kitchen. So bottom of the staircase, we are back in our messy kitchen. But that is pretty much it. Okay guys, so that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed getting a tour of our little farmhouse. We are so excited to live here and to get settled and to really make this house a home. We're just so in love with it. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this and just kind of seeing where our new digs are, I guess. But that is it. Make sure to subscribe if you guys haven't already. I definitely want to do some like decorating videos. I have a lot of mantles to decorate, so I think that will be fun. Let me know down in the comments if you want to see like some decor videos on how I'm going to just like decorate this house and make it ours and make it a home. But yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure to follow me on Instagram if you haven't already, because I'm sure I will share a ton about what's going on in this house on there. But that's it. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.